Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Anna and today I'm going to be showing you my apartment room. I'm really excited to show you guys, so if you wanted to see how I decorated my room, then just keep on watching. So starting off when you walk in, this is a little overview of my room. So from the door, we're gonna start with my closet. Sometimes it's a little hard to open, but it's a really nice walk-in closet, very spacious. I have all my sweatshirts, tops, dresses, jackets, jeans, and then I have this little container that has like underwear, bras, socks, and then I have a shoe rack. Some of the shoes didn't fit. My hamper, and then this is, I definitely recommend if you have an apartment. It's a foldable wagon. I carry all my groceries in it. It just makes things so much easier so you don't have to take as many trips. And moving on from there, I have this shoe wall TV little thing. I literally copied this off of Pinterest because I was so obsessed with the look. But basically these shelves are from IKEA, and so is the plant and plant holder. And then I just have some shoes, perfume, little knickknacks. Just kind of give an overview of both of these. This is probably the favorite thing of my room. I'm literally obsessed with it. And then this mirror is from Target. I just wanted a little mirror above because I didn't want anything too big because the TV's right there. So I have my TV, and then this cubicle thing is also from Target. Same with the little containers. But basically I just have my junk drawer. This is hair stuff and face masks. This is some books, and then these are extra sheets. So then moving on from there, we have my bathroom. So this rug is from Urban Outfitters. My shower mirror, very nice mirror. Great lighting in here too, which is amazing. I just have some skincare products, some moisturizer and lotion over here. And then this cabinet is filled with toilet paper, extra towels. Then I have a towel rack right there. And then on this wall, I have this Polaroid picture holder that I got from Dormify, and these little things came with it, sayings and stuff, so I kind of mix match my Polaroids and the sayings. And then this basket and blanket is from Home Goods, I believe. And then we have my bedding. So that moon thing is from Urban Outfitters. I feel like you guys all know it's very popular. And then the bedding, throw blanket and pillow, the orange pillow, is from Urban Outfitters. And then this is from UGG, and then that's a little squishmallow, I think that's what they're called. But then under here I just have drawers for storage, which is great, and they're obviously very filled. So the top one is for pajamas, and then the bottom is t-shirts. And then moving on from my bed, we have my nightstand. So I have a little salt lamp that's from Home Goods, I think. My hydro flask, foam glasses, this little wicker basket, not sure where it's from, but it holds my retainer and some hair clips. And then I also have drawers over here under my bed, so that's like my workout clothes, and then sweats in the bottom. I have this huge window, which is great for lighting, and I just have like one curtain because it fits perfectly within the window. And then I have my succulent. I don't know how this is still alive. I've had it for like 2 years, and I always forget to water it, but I mean, they don't need much water. And then I have this air freshener from Bath and Body Works, and I put in a pumpkin spice scent, and it smells really good. And then we have this mirror, which is from Target, and then I put vines and lights around it, and the vines are from Amazon and the lights are from Pier 1, and I just think it's a cute little detail to the mirror. And next to it I just have this fan in case it gets really hot or something. And then I have my desk. So starting with the top row, these flowers are from Urban Outfitters, Polaroid camera, candle from Bath and Body Works, this little thing that holds up my LED lights, which I should have started like at a bottom wall so that way it doesn't look like that, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. And then I have this A that lights up, that's from I think it's from TJ Maxx, yeah. And then we have this bottom row, so I have this for school and I don't really use it, but that's okay. It just holds like clips and then scissors in the back. And then I have this little tray that says Fashion Changes but Style Endures by Coco Chanel, and I have my Laneige there, which I'm obsessed with. I need to get another one because I'm almost out. And then I have my wallet. These holders are from IKEA, which I just keep my makeup brushes. Then I have a Polaroid of my friend and I, then I just keep my blue light glasses and sunglasses over here. And then this bottom row, I have my business fraternity paddle. I got this little pumpkin from Target. It was like $5. And then I got this mirror, which I'm obsessed with when getting ready. I think it's from Marshall's. And then I have this jewelry holder, necklace holder, that's from Urban Outfitters. And same with this earring holder is from Urban. I have my candle from Anthropologie, which I'm obsessed with the smell. And then I have my router and earring holder on top of that. And the earring holder is from Amazon. And then I just have my Beats pill. And then in my desk, in this drawer, I just keep all my makeup. It's very messy, but it fits everything, so super nice. Alright, and that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.